Hey guys, my name's Graham. Today we're going to be fishing a cold front coming in. A little bit of weather came in this morning, made the waves a little bit choppier, but it did make for a nice little sunset in the background over there. As you can see, we're going to be fishing this mangrove line right here. We're going to be using live chubs, stringed up on a free line. I got about 20-pound fluorocarbon on 15-pound braid. Hopefully get a few snook and redfish today. I always learned that fish will only bite when you're not ready for them. I have an incoming phone call, and a ladyfish nails my bait. While trying to land this guy, he comes up and he tries to attack me. Now he almost gets me right here. I was able to dodge him. That was a close one. I almost landed him. It's okay, it's just a ladyfish. Now back to the mangroves. Gonna cast it right up under the mangroves. That's usually where the snook and the redfish like to sit. Sure enough, only a few casts and I get a bite. This little guy tried to pull me into the mangroves. I stopped paying attention for 1 second to try and land this fish, and I wind up in the mangroves. I almost lost my rod and the fish. That was a close one. It took a little work, but I was able to land this beautiful redfish. I didn't measure him because he was pretty close to slot, but I don't like to measure redfish. This guy's gonna live to see another day. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe below if you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna keep putting them out here. I'm gonna try and do them once a week and tight lines.